So we have wheels already. It's a little quick for a car that's in the shape that it's in. Maybe I moved a little too quick, but we got wheels. This might give you a hint. You might have an idea if you know these wheels or if you know this brand. So we're just gonna straight up get right into it, start cracking these wheels open, see them for the first time, and then we'll get into some details. I can kind of already see them. They look damn, they look way better in person. Oh yeah, this looks good. Yeah. So a little bit of detail on these wheels. These are the US Mags Ramblers. I went square 17 by 7. Get 17 by 7s in the front, 17 by 7s in the rear. But let's talk about tires. I did not go square on the tires whatsoever. I did go a little cheap. This car I don't expect to daily drive. I have a different vehicle that I daily drive, but this car is just gonna be maybe a weekend grocery getter, or, well, not really, because I get my groceries delivered, but I would never drive it in the rain. I don't drive my S550 in the rain, especially since it's got slicks on it. Went a little cheap on the tires. I want to use the money more towards something else. Like, I'm not going to go spend $500 like I did on my S550. So these tires, I want to say, are about 75 bucks a piece, 70, 60, I don't know. We got 225s, 45, 17 in the front. And then we got 245, 45, 17 in the rears. So the wheels are going to be square, but the tires are not. Obviously, you can put thicker ones in the back. And that's pretty much what we're going to do with these. So I think I was a little undecided on what I wanted to do for the lug nuts. I went with black because I felt like there might have been too much chrome, but I might be thinking there's too much black. This is the wheel. The deep dish, of course. I always love a deep dish. But you can kind of see a little bit of silver inside the center. You know, right here where the lug nuts hit on the outer edge, you can see a bit of silver. So I think black might have been good. We really won't know until it's on the car, but oh yeah, that'll look killer. Dude, that looks, it's weird from this angle, but if you look from this angle right here, boom. She looks good. I think this will be a good wheel combo. We'll have the black wheels, chrome lip, and then black car chrome trim. So, and then y'all let me know what y'all think about the lug nuts. If y'all think, I mean, kind of how they are right now. I like the black center with you can see the chrome edge. I don't know, maybe I just buy chrome ones for the hell of it, and then we just throw some chrome ones on the front and then throw some black ones on the back or whatever. I don't know. Let me know if I made a good wheel choice. I'm just gonna go ahead and give y'all, you know, the spiel what the next video is. I got the floor pans ordered. They're coming in. They should be in within the next week. I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping the floorboards and start welding in new stuff. I bought a cheap welder, a cheap welding mask. So we'll see how it turns out. Yeah, if y'all like the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you like the wheels, definitely let me know in the comments if I made the right choice. So yeah, peace.